Hello all, it's Yusuf. So this is the first video for the React course. In this video we want to go through the setup of React and how do you need to set up your files and your editor. The first thing that you need to install is VS Code. After installing VS Code you need to install these extensions, EsLint and ES6 code snippets. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to install extensions in VS Code in case this was the first time you deal with VS Code. So this is VS Code. If you press this button, extensions, you could write just the extensions that I've mentioned. For example, EsLint. You could add EsLint, you could install it. Same thing with the other extensions that I've mentioned. Okay. So you have optional extensions like this one and mandatory extensions like those two that needs to get installed. Okay, and regarding Chrome DevTools, there are also 3 extensions that you want to set up. You could just copy paste React Detector and in Google and just search write React Detector, for example, and then write Chrome. You could easily install those DevTools. For the dependencies, you need Node, you need npm version 5.2 plus, you need to install Git on your PC or Mac or Linux, and you need to have a GitHub account. Regarding the initial repo, we're gonna use create React app. So we could here look at. So if you googled create React app, for the first page you will find a GitHub, and you would know how to install this package, and it would be easy to create your new project using npx create React app and then the name of the app. To make it easier, I've included the commands here. So what you need to do is use this command first and then use this command next, and then use an ESLint configuration file and change the build folder. These are some boilerplate stuff that I've done, and I've already done those changes in a GitHub repo that you could automatically use. So you do not need to do all of these stuff yourself. So here is the GitHub repo that I'm using. It's basically a create React app with some changes in the rules and adding this file, for example. So that's it. Okay, in order to use our application initially, after git cloning it, you need to npm install and then npm start. And here is your app. Okay, to make sure everything is working properly, you could try to change this and write academy, and the changes would automatically appear after saving. Okay, one of the first concepts that we need to ingest is the usage of these curly brackets to include JavaScript expressions. We will talk about this in the next video.